Benefits of green tea you must know. Have you ever wondered why green tea is often called a super drink? Or why do so many people swear by its health benefits? What makes it so special, and why should you consider adding it to your daily routine? If you've been curious about green tea and its potential perks, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into the top benefits of green tea that you need to know. Let's get into it. Number 8. Packed with antioxidants. Let's start with the heavy hitter, antioxidants. Green tea is full of powerful antioxidants, particularly catechins. These compounds fight off free radicals in your body. What are free radicals? They're unstable molecules that can damage your cells, accelerate aging, and increase your risk of diseases. Green tea has a variety of antioxidants, but the most notable is a compound called epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG. EGCG is a powerhouse when it comes to health benefits. It's been shown to help fight the growth of cancer cells, improve brain function, and even aid in fat burning. The antioxidants in green tea also play a big role in protecting your skin from sun damage and aging, making it an anti-aging drink in more ways than one. So, by drinking green tea, you're giving your body a major defense against these harmful molecules, essentially slowing down the aging process and potentially preventing certain diseases. Moreover, antioxidants don't just help you on the inside, they can boost your outside appearance too. A healthy body generally leads to healthier, glowing skin. So, by sipping on green tea, you're taking care of your health from the inside out. And who doesn't love a beauty boost that comes with added health perks? Number 7. Helps with weight loss. Let's talk about weight loss, one of the most popular reasons people start drinking green tea. If you're trying to shed a few pounds, green tea might be just the thing to give your metabolism a little extra push. Green tea contains both caffeine and a compound called EGCG, which together can help your body burn fat more efficiently. Studies have shown that people who drink green tea regularly can burn more fat, especially during exercise. Some studies suggest that the combination of caffeine and EGCG can boost fat burning by up to 17%. So, if you're already working out and eating healthy, adding green tea into your routine could help take your results to the next level. But green tea isn't just good for burning fat when you're working out. It also helps increase your metabolism, which means you'll continue burning more calories throughout the day. If you're someone who struggles with slow metabolism or just wants to speed things up a little, green tea can be a simple and natural way to help out. The great thing is, you don't need to be drinking it non-stop to see the benefits. Just 1 or 2 cups a day can make a difference. So, if you're on a weight loss journey, it might be time to swap that sugary drink for some green tea. Number 6. Boosts brain function. Now, let's dive into a benefit that might surprise you: green tea's ability to boost brain function. We all know caffeine can give you that energy boost you need to get through the day, but what makes green tea stand out is the combination of caffeine and L-theanine, an amino acid found in the tea. L-theanine is special because it helps balance out the stimulating effects of caffeine, creating a more focused, calm type of energy. So, you get all the benefits of a caffeine boost without the jittery feeling or crash that usually comes from drinking coffee. If you struggle to focus or have trouble sitting still while working, green tea could be the answer. In addition to making you more focused, L-theanine has been shown to improve brain function by increasing the production of neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin. These chemicals play a major role in regulating your mood, memory, and learning ability. So, by drinking green tea, you're giving your brain a nice little boost and improving your overall cognitive function. Whether you're studying, working, or just need to concentrate, green tea can help you stay focused and clear-headed for longer. It's the perfect drink for keeping your brain sharp throughout the day. Number 5. Supports heart health. Okay, let's talk about something really important: heart health. If you've been looking for ways to improve your cardiovascular health, drinking green tea can help. Green tea has been linked to lowering the risk of heart disease in multiple studies, and the benefits go beyond just lowering cholesterol. For one, green tea helps lower bad cholesterol, LDL, levels and increase good cholesterol, HDL levels, which is crucial for preventing heart disease. It can also help improve blood vessel function by keeping them flexible and relaxed. This is important because stiff blood vessels are a major risk factor for heart disease. Additionally, green tea is known to improve blood flow, which is key for overall heart health. By helping your blood vessels relax, green tea can reduce the strain on your heart and improve circulation, ultimately lowering your risk of stroke and other heart-related issues. There's even evidence that green tea drinkers have a lower risk of dying from heart disease. So, if you want to keep your heart in good shape, green tea is an excellent natural choice. And the best part? You don't have to go overboard. Just a couple of cups a day can have a positive impact. So, next time you think about reaching for that sugary soda, consider green tea instead for a heart-healthy alternative. Number 4. Good for your skin. Who doesn't want clear, glowing skin? Well, green tea can help with that too. The antioxidants in green tea, particularly EGCG, have been shown to protect the skin from damage caused by UV rays. This is a big deal because UV radiation can accelerate aging and increase your risk of skin cancer. Drinking green tea regularly can help protect your skin from these harmful effects. Green tea also has anti-inflammatory properties which can help reduce redness, puffiness, and irritation. If you suffer from acne or other skin conditions, the compounds in green tea can help soothe your skin and reduce inflammation. Some studies suggest that applying green tea directly to the skin can help reduce acne and improve overall skin health. But the benefits don't stop there. Green tea is also known for helping with signs of aging. The antioxidants work to neutralize free radicals that contribute to wrinkles and sagging skin. So by drinking green tea, you're not just helping your skin look better now, but you're also preventing the signs of aging from showing up too soon. So if you're on a mission to get glowing, healthy skin, sipping on some green tea might just be the easiest and most natural way to go. Number 3. Fights cancer. This is one of the most talked about benefits of green tea, and for good reason. While green tea isn't a cure for cancer, there's a growing body of research suggesting that it can play a role in preventing certain types of cancer. The key here is the powerful antioxidant EGCG, which has been shown to help stop the growth of cancer cells. Several studies suggest that green tea can reduce the risk of cancers like breast, prostate, and colon cancer. For example, research has shown that the compounds in green tea may help inhibit the growth of tumor cells and prevent them from spreading. Additionally, green tea's antioxidant properties help neutralize free radicals that can damage DNA, which is often a key factor in cancer development. That said, drinking green tea is just one part of a healthy lifestyle. It's not going to cure or prevent cancer on its own, but it can be a helpful part of an overall strategy to reduce cancer risk. So, if you're looking for a simple way to add some extra protection to your health, green tea is worth considering. Number 2. Helps control blood sugar. Green tea also has some impressive benefits when it comes to managing blood sugar levels. Whether you have diabetes or are just trying to keep your blood sugar in check, drinking green tea regularly can help. Several studies have shown that green tea can improve insulin sensitivity, which means your body becomes better at processing sugar and regulating blood sugar levels. This is important because poor insulin sensitivity is one of the key factors that contribute to type 2 diabetes. Additionally, green tea can help prevent spikes in blood sugar, which can cause a lot of health problems over time. It's been shown to help lower blood sugar levels after meals, making it a great beverage to drink if you're trying to manage your blood sugar levels. For people with prediabetes, incorporating green tea into their diet can be an easy, natural way to lower their risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Number 1. Hydration with benefits. You might be thinking, isn't water the best thing for hydration? And yeah, water is great, but green tea is another awesome option for staying hydrated while giving your body a health boost at the same time. Since green tea is mostly water, it's a great way to stay hydrated, but with the added bonus of antioxidants and other health benefits. Plus, unlike sugary drinks or sodas, green tea is low in calories, making it an excellent choice for those who are watching their weight or just want a healthier beverage. Whether you're drinking it hot or cold, green tea is a refreshing and hydrating option that can keep you feeling good throughout the day. There you have it, green tea is so much more than just a simple drink. From improving your brain function and heart health to supporting weight loss and glowing skin, green tea is a natural powerhouse. And the best part? It's easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Whether you drink it in the morning as an afternoon pick-me-up or before bed, you'll be doing your body a solid. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and share this with anyone who could benefit from it. Thanks for watching.